welcome back. Let's make a Hocus Pocus cup. So I have my cup all prepped and sprayed with just a flat white spray paint. And we're going to go ahead and add some black hole mica, which is right here. It's a beautiful mica. We're going to add that right into our epoxy. And then we're going to go ahead and spread this on our cup. Now, you may be wondering, why are you going to put a black epoxy over a black cup? Well, because this black has a absolutely stunning shimmer to it, and it's just going to add that little bit of extra that we want. It also, believe it or not, helps eliminate bubbles. So it's just beautiful, and it just looks a lot better than the flat white spray paint, in my opinion, because we're not doing glitter all the way to the top. You'll see what I mean. All right, we got that all mixed up, ready to go. And look at this glitter. It's absolutely beautiful. This is a sample that I got in to see if I wanted to sell it in my line. I'm not sure yet. This is kind of one of the first times I'm working with it. But another close color that I have is Weekend at Barney's, and it's absolutely beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and spread this all over our cup. Now, as you can see, there's a handle. They are a little bit tricky, but not impossible to deal with. You're just going to want epoxy very thinly over the handle. And yes, I know it's kind of a pain in the butt, but I promise you it's worth it. Okay, now that we got that on, we're just going to go a quick once over here with our heat gun and just eliminate any bubbles. And then you'll see as it spins, you're not going to see any micro bubbles. It's actually quite amazing. So let this spin. We're going to let that even out a little bit, and then we're going to start adding our glitter down at the base of the cup. Here comes the magic. Are you ready? All right, so let's start here at the bottom. We got to get a piece of paper down here, of course, to catch any extra glitter, because we are not about to let this go to waste. And we're going to start at the bottom, just kind of doing a little bit heavier of a coat. And we're going to ombre the way up the cup. So I'm going to do solid to about maybe halfway or just before halfway of the cup here. And then we'll start to kind of gradually ombre the cup. And we're just going to do the kind of little sprinkles as we get towards the middle there. All right, so I'm just going to get my finger and I just kind of pinch some glitter and kind of rub my fingers together a little bit and just sprinkle on top. And that will help create that ombre look and just kind of very gradually fading that glitter up to the top. Y'all, isn't this beautiful? Holy crap, it's freaking stunning. I absolutely love this glitter. All right, so let's get to work on this image while our cup is spinning. So this is what the original image looks like. I did get it from Etsy, and we're gonna go ahead and trace the image, and we're gonna go ahead and pick and pull apart these pieces here. So I'm gonna just kind of erase around. Sometimes you can ungroup and just kind of pull apart what pieces you want. Some images I've noticed don't allow me to do that. So I'm gonna show you if that is the case for you, just kind of how to erase around and kind of get what you want. So we're going to go ahead and duplicate this to make sure that everything is the correct size for the wording and for the hair and everything. So we're just going to set one aside there, and then I'm just going to get my eraser tool and I'm just going to erase around. And the hair we're going to do on vinyl, we're going to just do colored vinyl, and that's going to help it to just kind of really stand out and pop versus doing a water slide or anything like that. So I'm just going to erase around here. This first part we're going to do in white, and then we're going to do the same exact thing and erase and just pull out those wigs and do the same just on colored vinyl. Alright, so after our cup was done spinning, I did just add an extra clear layer of epoxy on just to kind of smooth out where the glitter was. Even though it did lay flat when we go to put our image on, we didn't want any bumps. So my cup is nice and smooth. And I have the white part of the image already weeded out. I know it's hard to see, but I'm just going to place the hair where it's supposed to go. It just makes it a little bit easier as far as getting everything on there the right way, and straight, things like that. So I'm just going to place the hair on here. I'm going to put it on my transfer tape, and we're just going to put that bad boy right on the cup. And then after this, the only thing left to do is just add another coat of epoxy and we're done. So it's a really easy cup to do. I absolutely love how this came out. I freaking love Hocus Pocus, and so I'm so excited about this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, as always, let me know below. Don't forget to join us on Facebook at Karly's Creations, Tumblers, and more. Guys, we have so much fun over there. We have just a wonderful group of people and crafters over there. So don't forget to come join us. And until then, we'll see you on the next video.